Division of two complex number on Argand diagram. Let us consider two complex number Z1 is equal to x1 plus iy1, Z2 is equal to x2 plus iy2. These numbers are represented by point P and point Q respectively on Argand diagram. Using polar and exponential form of complex number, Z1 is equal to x1 plus iy1 is equal to r1 cos of theta 1 plus I sin theta 1, that is equal to r1 e raised to I theta 1. Z2 is equal to x2 plus iy2 equal to r2 cos of theta 2 plus I sin theta 2, that is equal to r2 e raised to I theta 2. For division of two complex number, Z1 upon Z2 is equal to r1 e raised to I theta 1 divided by r2 e raised to I theta 2. For division, we use exponential form of complex number, that is equal to r1 upon r2 e raised to I theta 1 minus theta 2. Division of two complex number is a complex number. Its real part is r1 upon r2 and imaginary part is e raised to I theta 1 minus theta 2. Mod of Z1 upon Z2 is equal to r1 upon r2, that is equal to mod Z1 divided by mod Z2. Argument of Z1 upon Z2 is equal to argument of Z1 minus argument of Z2. Subtraction of two complex number. Consider two complex number. Z1 is equal to x1 plus iy1, Z2 is equal to x2 plus iy2, which are represented by point P and Q respectively on Argand diagram. Difference Z1 minus Z2 is also a complex number. In figure, length ON is equal to length OQ. but vector OQ is equal to minus vector ON. Therefore, ON is equal to minus of vector OQ. Vector ON is position vector of point N, which corresponds to complex number minus Z2. Point S represent difference Z1 minus Z2. Construct parallelogram OPSN. Vector OP is position vector of point P, represent complex number Z1. ON vector represent a complex number minus Z2. By using law of parallelogram, vector OS is equal to vector ON plus vector NS. Put vector NS is equal to vector OP. Vector OS is equal to vector OP plus vector ON. Put the values we get is equal to Z1 minus Z2. That is Z is equal to x1 plus iy1 minus x2 plus iy2. That is equal to x plus iy is equal to x1 minus x2 plus I times y1 minus y2. The subtraction of real part and subtraction of imaginary part.